To today's video is the 10 best-selling affiliate marketing niches for 2022. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experience as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first before you give these people your credit card. Now, I'm the 10 best affiliate marketing niches. Now, I'm going to give you, in the beginning here, I'm going to give you 6 marketing niches that are the bleeding edge niches for 2022. And most of these are not for beginners. And I'm going to start in reverse order. I'm going to save the best for last. Okay, the first one would be pickleball. Now, pickleball, this niche would be good for beginners. Pickleball clothes and equipment. Pickleball is a fast-growing new sport in this country, and it's a good niche to start off with. It's a good niche, pickleball, clothes or equipment. Next would be 3D printing. 3D printing is the cutting edge of printing, and just do a Google search on 3D printing affiliate marketing links. 3D printing affiliate marketing links. The next is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is much more than Bitcoin. It has hundreds of sub-levels to it. And cryptocurrency is going to be around for a while. And the best thing to do here is to go do a Google search on cryptocurrency affiliate links, or you can go to ClickBank's marketplace and do a search there for cryptocurrency. The next niche for the bleeding edge niche here would be e-learning or online learning courses. And a really good micro niche here is how to start your own e-learning course. There's a lot of people out there that just retired or whatever, have a lot of knowledge, and they would love to be able to know how to put together an e-learning course on the knowledge they have on a certain subject. The next is the Internet of Things, IoT devices. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the internet working of physical devices like vehicles, also referred to as connected devices and smart devices, buildings and other items, embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity that enable these objects to collect and exchange data. Do a Google search of the Internet of Things affiliate marketing. And last is metaverse. This is really bleeding edge. Metaverse. A metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. Take a cue from Mark Zuckerberg on Facebook, who is now investing billions in the metaverse and his new company, Meta. Mark Zuckerberg sees the metaverse as the successor to the mobile internet. Metaverse affiliate programs can be found at metaverse-5.com. That's metaverse-5.com. Okay, now let's go back to more niches that are making money. The technology niche. Good micro niches in the technology niche would be the home automation micro niche and the drones micro niche. Technology. People love using the latest technology and gadgets such as smartphones, MP3 speakers, laptops, tablets, etc. The simplest way to sell these gadgets is through an e-tailer like Amazon. Or you can buy products from other sites like Alibaba.com and get connected with wholesalers and manufacturers. To sell your products, you'll need marketing skills like blogging. Here you can focus on telling about the latest technology and products coming in the market. You can share reviews via your review site about different products. Share your affiliate link on the side to initiate the buying process. So you must learn this innovation well from affiliate marketing in the gadgets and technology niche. You can also choose to work with a software technology company provider. Good is a B2B software technology. Many financial technology providers, such as loan lenders, can provide 2 or even 3-figure commissions to affiliate marketers. Also, another good software B2B marketer is accounting, how to keep your books, and all you have to do is to add some banners to your site to sell these products. The next big niche is the health, weight loss, fitness niche. Micro niches here would be all natural makeup or curly hair care. Health and fitness, with more awareness of health issues these days, people are ready to buy healthy products repeatedly, thus giving more products to the affiliate marketer on the back end. You get monthly recurring commissions. It is a very lucrative niche, as it will never see a slowdown because people continuously look for new and advanced health products to use, including well-being products, illness-related products, or health improvement products. Another thing to note is that these products are very costly, making affiliate marketing more profitable for you. Once the user uses a product and likes it, he is sure to keep buying it again and again to maintain its results. There again, you get back-end commissions with these types of products. Thus, there is a surety your product will keep selling and keep giving you good results and profits month after month. The next niche is the digital marketing niche. Digital marketing is the act of selling products and services through channels such as social media, SEO, email, and mobile apps. Basically, digital marketing is any form of marketing that involves electronic devices. A good example of a digital marketing niche would be Aweber, the autoresponder email site, Aweber. The next niche is the love relationship niche, dating. The dating and relationship niche comes with a wide range of products because people always need advice in this sphere. There may be someone looking for a date online. I think so. You can promote dating websites that offer a commission to the marketers for new signups. You can further narrow it down to niches like dating sites for ethnic groups, dating sites for particular religious groups, etc. You can also advertise books and guides on relationships and communication. This is a huge niche market that has huge earning potential. The next big niche is finance and investments, wealth building. People make investments for building wealth, and everyone wants to make money from bonds, stocks, forex, and other investment products. But not many people have the knowledge and education for making such investments. They can seek proper advice from trading services, financial newsletters, etc., which help in investing in basic budgeting and advanced trading strategies. Whatever the market state is, bear or bull, recessing or depressing, investment products will always do well. So if you're interested in this topic, you can do wonders by helping people out in investing and earning good money at the same time. The next big niche is the pet care niche. Pets. Many people own pets and spare no expense in buying goodies for their pets, be it their food, bathing accessories, play toys, meditation, training. You will also be surprised to see cat leashes and dog strollers in pet stores. This is a perfect niche for affiliate marketing and also good for beginners. The next niche is the entertainment movie/music niche, followed by the fashion/beauty niche. Beauty, this is one of the largest and top 10 markets of profitable niches. Who doesn't want smoother, tighter, and glowing skin without wrinkles? This vertical is not limited to females alone nowadays. Even males are conscious about their looks and want clear, radiant skin. In fact, a good drill down in this niche is male grooming. Any male grooming products, good micro niche. Many people aim to look younger than their age and keep trying beauty products like creams, anti-aging formulas, cosmetic treatments, etc. Selling such products via your affiliate website is sure to fetch you huge profits. You can also start YouTube videos showing beauty tips, explaining healthcare products, etc. It's a very lucrative and booming niche for affiliate marketing. This industry has more to offer by selling beauty products and creams or guiding people about beauty through YouTube videos. Your affiliate business can grow manifolds in this domain, provided you have the interest and everything it takes to rise and shine in this. The next niche is the travel accommodation niche, and a good micro niche here is tiny houses. The next niche is the mental health niche, lifestyle. Lifestyle is the term referred to as the way of living, and these people these days want to improve their lifestyle and adopt ways to do so. Lifestyle blogs are helpful in this business, but you cannot just write anything to please the reader. You must think broadly and do your homework exceptionally well to develop fantastic lifestyle ideas for your readers. This is a bit expensive niche and needs a lot of study and research. Your write-up must be relatable and must have the power to bring a change in the reader. He must feel motivated to change himself by reading your blog. People love to bring positive changes in their lifestyles, but they lack the proper knowledge and motivation. Your blog or content must have that capability. Otherwise, it is not a wise investment for affiliate marketing. The next big niche is the self-development niche. Self-improvement. This industry is constantly growing with more and more people wanting to know about ways of self-improvement and building self-esteem. These days, people are vocal about mental health and do not feel shy in sharing their weaknesses. Such people often seek online help to come out of their cocoon and face the world. They require help and training to overcome their weaknesses. There are online programs, courses, training books, videos, etc. that give ideas to increase confidence, achieve goals, succeed in a career, overcome obstacles, etc. Working towards such ways to help people build self-esteem can yield huge profits in affiliate marketing. However, you already know that these are broad niches, and we must need to find a micro niche. You have to drill down. The next big category here is gaming. With the coming of gaming laptops, smartphones, and other portable devices, the gaming industry has grown exponentially. Games are enjoyed by people of all ages, irrespective of gender or social status. The gaming niche has the advantage that the users constantly want to update with new releases by the game developers and want to be aware of the new content that has come up. People usually get addicted to specific games and want to remain updated. And with more creativity, more and more games are being developed and making people go crazy. Plus, the broad market with no age or gender bars makes it more lucrative, a pretty lucrative niche in today's time. The next big category here, niche category, is business and entrepreneurship. With the internet booming, many people want to quit their jobs, starting their own businesses and become entrepreneurs. They prefer making money via digital marketing, but they need advice and guidance. Such people will be your prospects. You can make good money in this niche by selling affiliate or digital products. People nowadays want to invest in lucrative businesses and become entrepreneurs. You can offer them guidance and support throughout the process, because not everyone can become an entrepreneur just like that. You can provide them business ideas, tutorials on what it takes to become a businessman and earn well from this niche. The next niche, and this is a good niche also for beginners, is gardening. Yes, this may sound weird, but gardening is also one of the promising niches in affiliate marketing. It has reached a whole new level from the earlier days when gardening meant a hobby to be done during weekends or free time. With urban farming coming up, there are several micro niches within this which are profitable. Like I said earlier, everything has gone online now, and people use the knowledge and services online to do what they want. Here again are some broad niches that you can drill down on. health and fitness, yoga, meditation, weight loss, mental health, weightlifting, finance, personal finance, cryptocurrencies, stock market, budget lifestyle, local businesses, make money online, SEO, digital marketing, graphic design, advertise online, mobile apps, self-development, time management, stop drinking, relationship advice, motivation, healthy habits, pet care, dog training, pet food. Now, the best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.